Alright guys, this is a house I'm at here in Durham, North Carolina. Can't tell you the address, but as you can see, it's not a great place. But anyway, we have a swollen capacitor, so we're going to switch that out, and we're going to check our superheat and everything. Fixed a leak at the coil a week ago, so it's a hack job. So just let you know what I was doing. Not much going on. Got some calls, just didn't have time to upload nothing. Just to let you know I'm still out here, still working on going full time. Had a question about Husman. I don't know if I would take the job or not, but if you guys got any ideas, it would be some experience on grocery store refrigeration in small cases. Give me some comments. Take care. Bye.